Hello, I am Akil Heather. Welcome to Java Programming Channel. Today I am discuss about what is bare as in Java. Bare as concept came in Java 1.5 version. Before Java 1.5, such type of concept is not came. Like example, you can see test class. We need add two number. We want to add two number like word add parameter int a into b add a plus b. Next, I will call add method in main method. First of all, we need create the object test t to new test t dot add 2 comma 7. Then addition is 9. Next, we want to add three argument of number. This concept is method overloading. No problem. Int a b c a plus b plus c and 70. Next, I want to add four argument number, five argument number, different type of argument. Sometime two argument, passing two arguments. Sometime we want to add three argument number. Sometime I want to add four argument number. So very difficulty and re- recompile and recoding. So that problem overcome by whereas came in 1.5 version. What is whereas you can see. Remove this code. Word add int triple dot is a whereas notation. X X can receive zero argument to multiple argument. So we don't need 10 argument, 5 argument, but so we need use for each loop fetching the data from X variable. How many how many data is there? Int I on X, int sum equal 0, then plus sum equal sum plus I. we can call the method add. Pass 3 comma 2. We want to add two number of argument because output is not there because we didn't print here. Sum. And again, you can see 3 plus 3 6. We want to add 3 argument number 6 8 14. We want to add only one number 3. We want to zero number of argument, no problem. Set it 0 because there is no any argument. Sum is 0. There is a more benefit, whereas we use one number of argument, 10 number of argument, 5 number of argument, different type of argument, a runtime pass, and we use no any problem. It is Vargas. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more video. Thank you so much.